Let's talk today about colons. Colons can be a punctuation that we forget about, but they're a good way to kind of make your college level essay look a little bit more organized and formal because we are going to write sentences that need colons, so it's best to put them where they belong. So, a colon can help to introduce a list, it can help to put in some emphasis or to explain something that follows. You want to make sure that what comes before the colon is a complete sentence. So here's some examples. The first example shows a complete sentence. We have our subject, I, needing to do an action, and then the colon introduces the list that follows. In the second example, the colon puts emphasis on what the subject worked so hard for, a full scholarship to college. Here are a few more examples. This can be very helpful with college level writing. If we're working a quote into our writing, sometimes a colon can help put that emphasis on the quote. And also, of course, we use it in with numbers. So here are some reminders for you. Make sure you give using colons a try in your college essays.